Hello friends, this is a crochet Christmas wreath. This is a small size wreath ornament. In this pattern I am using two color of yarns, one glittery yarn and one plain worsted yarn, and crochet hook size 6 mm. You take 6 mm crochet hook, craft needle and craft scissor. Let us start. First you take your glittery yarn. I have taken the green color yarn for this pattern, and then you take your 3 fingers and wrap your yarn over your finger 4 to 5 times. And then you insert your hook in the back side of this yarn and pull through yarn and make one single crochet, and then you make single crochet around this ring, you fill up this ring with single crochet. You make total 20 single crochet into this ring, and then you make one slip stitch in the beginning chain. Here you join it with slip stitch, and then make one chain, count as a first single crochet, and make one more single crochet in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet. You repeat the pattern in this round, 2 single crochet in each stitch. I have completed my second round. For last round you skip the very first 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make 6 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make one slip stitch, and you repeat the same pattern, same stitch in this round. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the third stitch you make 6 stitches. Stitching, and then you make one slip stitch. You repeat the same pattern in this round, and this is the last 5 stitches. Here you join it with slip stitch, and then for ornament, for hanging, you make 10 chains, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 more, and then you go to the same stitch and make one slip stitch. My wreath has been almost completed, and for next round I am using the red color waist weight yarn, and you take your craft needle and you go to the center and this is the center portion of the wreath. And then here you may make one bow. You can use the satin ribbon also for this pattern, and you can change the colors of your yarn. And your mini wreath is complete, and this is very simple and easy Christmas wreath. You can make it easily. And thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.